If you're watching this, it means AI filmmaking works. And it means I'm in serious trouble. In this virtual class, you will learn how to use AI to create incredible short films, just like this one. With just a laptop, headphones, and your imagination, students will learn prompt engineering, explore cutting-edge AI tools, and dive into video editing, all while creating their own original short film by the end of the course. We fit any summer schedule. Spots are limited. Enroll your student today.